Hello, and thank you for joining us to learn a little more about the medical device regulatory process in South Korea. Over the next few modules, we'll take a look at key aspects involved in bringing your product to market. Here's what we'll cover in this series. First, we'll take a brief look at the overall regulatory framework. Then we'll move into how to classify your device. We'll also cover in-country representation along with other parties involved in the process, followed by quality management system requirements, and then technical file preparation. Finally, we'll discuss those last steps needed to bring your device to market. You can use the thumbnails to skip around between topics if desired, or just let them run in sequence. Let's get started. All medical devices in South Korea must undergo an approval process outlined by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, or MFDS. The primary legislation that covers medical devices is the Medical Device Act. The MFDS also issues numerous notifications which apply to medical devices. All of this information is published in Korean. There are 4 primary entities associated with registering your medical device in South Korea. You, the manufacturer, third-party license holders, known as Korean license holders, the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, and third-party reviewers. We'll take a closer look at these in a later module. The entire process of bringing your medical device to market in South Korea can be summed up in about 7 steps, which we'll explore in later modules within this course. The first step of the regulatory process is to determine device classification. Classification specifies the regulatory path towards approval in South Korea. If you don't have a local office in Korea, your next step will be to appoint a Korean license holder. Next, you'll need to go through a Korea Good Manufacturing Practices audit. Your device must meet Korean standards for safety, performance, and other measures. With all your documentation ready, you'll need to submit it to the proper authority. Finally, if all goes well, you'll receive your approval and are ready to market your product. In the next module, we'll discuss product classification, the key to determining your regulatory pathway.